Imagine this, the wind whips through your hair. The world shrinks beneath you. You're at the controls of your own helicopter, soaring above traffic and limitations. This isn't a scene from an action movie, it's closer than you think. Affordable helicopters are changing the game. The sky's no longer the limit, it's your playground. Are you ready to explore it? For years, helicopters have been seen as toys for the ultra-rich, a symbol of extravagance, but times are changing. The truth is, owning a helicopter can be more affordable than you think. It's about knowing your options, understanding the market, and being prepared to explore all avenues. Just like navigating the wilderness, finding the right helicopter takes knowledge and preparation. Let's address the elephant in the room, or rather the helicopter in the hangar. Many believe these machines cost a fortune to buy and maintain. And while it's true that high-end models come with hefty price tags, there's a whole other world out there. Used helicopters, kit helicopters, options that fit different budgets and aspirations. Don't let misconceptions keep you grounded. Enter the Bell 206, a marvel of aviation engineering. A true workhorse of the skies, the Bell 206 is renowned for its versatility and dependability. Whether it's navigating through rugged mountains, gliding over vast deserts, or performing intricate aerial maneuvers, this helicopter excels in every scenario. This iconic helicopter, often featured in films and TV shows, offers a blend of reliability and performance. Its sleek design and powerful capabilities have made it a favorite among filmmakers and TV producers, adding a touch of drama and excitement to countless scenes. While new models can be expensive, the used market is where the real opportunities lie. Savvy buyers can find well-maintained Bell 206 helicopters at a fraction of the cost of a new one. These pre-owned models offer the same level of luxury and performance without breaking the bank. A well-maintained Bell 206 can be acquired for a fraction of the cost, putting luxury and capability within reach. With proper care and regular maintenance, these helicopters can provide years of reliable service, making them an excellent investment for those seeking affordable luxury in the skies. Section 5. Sikorsky Schweizer S333, a legacy of performance and value. The Sikorsky Schweizer S333 is not just a helicopter, it's a symbol of engineering excellence and reliability. Looking for a robust and versatile helicopter with a proven track record? The S333 has been a trusted companion for many pilots and operators around the world, offering unmatched performance in various conditions. Look no further than the Sikorsky Schweizer S333. Whether you're navigating through rugged terrains or performing complex aerial maneuvers, this helicopter stands out with its exceptional capabilities. Known for its durability and lifting power, this machine is a favorite for utility operations and flight training. Its robust design ensures that it can handle heavy loads with ease, making it an indispensable tool for various industries. The S333 offers a compelling combination of performance and affordability, especially in the pre-owned market. For those looking to invest in a reliable helicopter without the hefty price tag, the pre-owned S333 provides an excellent option. It's a testament to the fact that you don't need to break the bank for quality. With regular maintenance and care, the S333 continues to deliver top-notch performance, ensuring safety and efficiency in every flight. This helicopter's legacy is built on its ability to provide value and reliability, making it a preferred choice for many. From sunny skies to challenging weather conditions, the Sikorsky Schweizer S333 proves its mettle time and again. Its adaptability and resilience make it a versatile asset for any fleet. In emergency situations, the S333's quick response and dependable performance can make all the difference. It's not just a helicopter, it's a lifeline in critical moments. With its efficient fuel consumption and low operating costs, the S333 is designed to keep you flying longer and farther. It's an investment that pays off in the long run, both in terms of performance and cost efficiency. Experience the joy of flying with the Sikorsky Schweizer S333. Its agility and smooth handling make every flight an enjoyable experience, whether you're a seasoned pilot or a newcomer to the skies. The Sikorsky Schweizer S333 is more than just a helicopter. It's a legacy of performance and value that continues to soar high. Join the ranks of satisfied operators who trust the S333 for their aerial needs. Section 6 Composite FXXE 290, the DIY Dream Machine. For the adventurous souls and aviation enthusiasts, the Composite FXXE 290 presents an exciting opportunity. Imagine the thrill of not just flying a helicopter but building one with your own hands. This is more than just a project, it's a journey into the world of aviation. This kit helicopter allows you to build your own aircraft from the ground up. Every nut, bolt, and component is a step closer to your dream of taking to the skies. The process is designed to be engaging and educational, providing a deep understanding of how helicopters function. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. The comprehensive manual guides you through each stage, breaking down complex tasks into manageable steps. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a complete novice, the instructions are clear and easy to follow. With detailed instructions and support from the manufacturer, building your own XE290 can be a rewarding experience. The company offers excellent customer service, ready to assist you with any questions or challenges you might face. Plus, there are online communities and forums where fellow builders share tips and experiences. Plus, it significantly reduces the overall cost, making helicopter ownership a tangible reality. Imagine the pride and satisfaction of flying a helicopter that you built yourself. The composite FX XE290 is not just a machine, it's a testament to your dedication and passion for aviation. So, if you've ever dreamed of soaring through the skies in your own aircraft, the XE290 is your gateway to making that dream come true. Section 7. Robinson Helicopters, your gateway to the skies. When it comes to affordability and accessibility, Robinson helicopters deserve a special mention. The R22 and R44 models in particular have become synonymous with flight training and personal helicopter ownership. These lightweight, two-seater helicopters are relatively inexpensive to operate and maintain, making them a popular choice for beginners and experienced pilots alike. Want to experience the ultimate freedom of flight without the hefty price tag? Ultralight helicopters are the answer. These nimble machines offer a thrilling and affordable way to take to the skies. With simpler designs and lower operating costs, ultralight helicopters remove many of the barriers to entry associated with traditional aircraft. It's about pure flying enjoyment. Now, let's talk about the hidden costs. Like any major purchase, owning a helicopter comes with ongoing expenses. Insurance, maintenance, fuel, hangar fees, these all add up. It's crucial to factor in these costs before taking the plunge. Research thoroughly, compare prices, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Navigating the world of helicopter ownership can be daunting. That's where Robert Motoring Consult comes in. As your trusted aviation partner, we provide expert guidance and support every step of the way. From finding the perfect helicopter to securing financing and handling maintenance, we're here to make your dream of flight a reality. The allure of the open sky, the thrill of flight, it's within your grasp. Don't let misconceptions hold you back. Explore your options, do your research, and take that first step towards owning your own helicopter. The sky's the limit. Will you answer its call?